The oceans absorb a lot of greenhouse's excess heat, mainly fossil fuels, which raise ocean temperature. Near-surface water heat has already had dramatic impacts on marine animals, plants, and microbes. Due to closely linked changes in seawater chemistry, less oxygen remains available by a process called deoxygenation. Over decades, scientists have been researching. Water temperature has increased by 0.2 degrees Celsius, fish population declining at 20 degrees Celsius. Heat waves from years ago had an impact on climate change and still do. High ocean temperature also makes risk for storms, which impacts humans and marine life.
What are ways that we can help marine life from being impacted by climate change? Reducing the amount of waste and pollution that ends up in the ocean is one way. It's crazy, but the amount of water people use on average weekly is 142 liters per person a day. So if we can limit the amount of water we use daily, then the more water we can conserve in the long run will be better for the planet, marine life, and wildlife. Also, using less energy will not only help us, but it will help marine life as well. Establishing marine protected areas and putting in place adaptive measures are important. We can reduce carbon, including installing offshore wind turbines, expanding the use of floating wind and solar facilities. The more power you can limit is always better, but the most important thing we can do is spread awareness and start organizations and fundraisers and donate to charities.
Ocean acidification, warmer sea temperatures, and local stressors such as overfishing, pollution, unsustainable tourism, and poor coastal management pose a combined threat to the coral ecosystems. When the ocean becomes more acidic and polluted, the algae leaves the coral, and the coral becomes very pale and vulnerable to disease. This is called coral bleaching. Ocean acidity also makes it difficult for corals and other organisms like shellfish to build their exoskeletons. Temperatures rise, mass coral bleaching events, and infectious disease outbreaks are becoming more frequent. Sediment deposited onto reefs caused by increased runoff can smother corals and interfere with their ability to feed, grow, and reproduce.